Good morning, doctor.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a sore throat.
Let me check. Open wide, please.
Ugh.
It looks red. Any fever?
Yes, a little.
I'll take your temperature.
Okay.
38 degrees. You have a fever.
Is it serious?
No, just a cold.
What should I do?
Rest and drink warm water.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, I'll give you some pills.
How often should I take them?
Twice a day after meals.
For how long?
3 days. Come back if you don't feel better.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where's the milk?
Aisle 4, on the right.
Thanks. Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, it's by the entrance.
How much are these apples?
$1.99 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 3.
Need any bags?
Yes, please. 1 bag is enough.
Here you go.
Where are the eggs?
Next to the milk in aisle 4.
Found them. Are they organic?
These are. They cost more.
That's fine. I'll take a dozen.
Anything else today?
No, that's all. How much?
$15.80 total.
Here's $20.
And $4.20 change. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for your help. Morning, Alex.
Hi, Sarah. You're up early.
I wake up at 6 every day. You?
7:30. I'm not a morning person.
Do you eat breakfast?
Just coffee. No time for food.
Oh no, breakfast is important.
I know. What do you eat?
Toast and fruit, sometimes eggs.
Nice. I should try that.
When do you start work?
At 9, I take the bus.
Me too. The 8:15 bus?
Yes, maybe we'll see each other.
That'd be fun. What do you do?
I work in a cafe. You?
At the library. Do you work late?
Until 5. Sometimes 6 on weekends.
Do you exercise after work?
Not really. I just watched TV.
I go walking. Want to join?
Sure. How about tomorrow?
Perfect. 6:30 at the park?
Deal. See you then.
Gotta run. Bye, Alex.
Bye, Sarah.
Hi, Jake.
Hey, Emma.
Do you have the time?
Sure, it's 2:15.
Oh no, is your watch right?
Yes, I check my phone.
My class starts at 2:30.
Don't worry, you have time.
How long to the school?
About 10 minutes walking.
When does the next bus come?
At 2:20, but walking's faster.
You're right. What time does your class start?
Not until 3 o'clock.
Lucky you.
Want me to walk with you?
Yes, please. Let's go now.
Okay, is your class long?
Until 4:15.
I'll wait for you after.
Really? That's so nice.
No problem.
Thanks, Jake.
Anytime, Emma.
Hi, is this bus going downtown?
Oh, I think so. Let me check the sign.
Thank you. Are you waiting long?
About 10 minutes. You?
Just got here. Nice weather today.
Yeah, much better than yesterday.
Do you work downtown?
No, I'm visiting a friend. You?
Yes, my office is there.
Cool. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice. My sister teaches too.
Really? What subject?
Math at the high school.
Oh, maybe they know each other.
Small world, right?
Oh, here's our bus.
After you.
Thanks. Have a good visit.
You too. Nice talking.